Alright guys, Josh Techgamer back again with another tech video, tech unboxing video. Yes, we have something that I've been wanting to get for a while. It's going to change the camera angle completely. Now I did see this in a video with my friend RA Visuals. Check out his channel, I'll put that description below. Ricky, thanks a lot. He actually has the same one, and he told me it's really good. It's a good quality. All right, so it's actually a desk mount for lights or camera or anything I could use. Basically those. So when I do the video shots, so it's gonna give that good unboxing angle view. So I'm gonna be having it on the side. So we'll actually do a little test. I got tired of putting the camera with the tripod, and it was kind of in the way. So this is gonna be really cool. So we're gonna do the unboxing. Of course, I can't do it because it's inside the box. So this is what it comes in, like this. We're just gonna open it. You guys really can't see, but we'll do like a different camera shot. Now the only thing is, I've been thinking about this. I might have to get another camera. If you guys are watching, especially Ricky, I need another camera so I could have one there and one over there, so I just don't have to keep moving my camera, because it is going to be a pain to take the camera off, switch it back and forth. So, but I could only have one camera technically, so, but that's okay. It's a box inside of a box. I mean, yeah. So yeah, it comes like this. This is what it looks like. It's just a plain old box. I'll put down the description below where you guys want to check it out. If you guys want to get this. This is $75. I did pay total like $80, so it is a little pricey, but it's gonna be totally worth it. Now this is the next thing I was getting, and there's two more things I'm gonna be getting. One for the camera, and I'm actually gonna get a camera slider. So the camera slider will probably be next. And the camera slider, I'm just gonna get like a just cheap one for like 50 bucks. It just, you know, just nothing big and fancy. See, I'm upgrading everything, making everything better for you guys. Let's think about YouTubers. They always think about this stuff. We're like obsessed with it. Always want to make better content. All right, let's get it out of the box. Anything else? Okay, a bunch of stuff came with it. So, let's check this out. First of all, it comes with the clamp. Okay, so this is a clamp for like, let's throw it over there. This is a clamp for like cell phones if you guys want to, so you could attach it here or you could attach it there, and you can put your cell phone on it. That's cool. I got tons of these. So, boom. So yeah, so I'm going to be doing it from over here on this side, and the camera's going to be facing down, and you guys will be able to get a nice view shot. So actually, we're going to do a test and try it out. Dude, this is really nice. Alright, this is really, really durable. It is like metal. So this is where it, like, wow, you could just like, and then what you do, you just tighten it, and bam. And then on the end, you just put your camera right here. Okay, I'm liking this. And then we just unscrew it. This is pretty common sense. So there's no instructions. So, oh wait, there is instructions. It fell out of the box. You know, men don't like instructions, but you know, I guess we'll read it. So basically, yada yada yada. Secure the base arm, the clamp using provided screws and screwdriver. Okay. Well, gives us a little screwdriver, and that's what that was for. So it does show like a little picture right here, guys, if you guys can kind of see, and it kind of tells you how to do it. So guess we'll figure it out. All right, so I think I did it right. So Ricky, if he sees this, he'll probably say, Josh, you did it wrong, or maybe. So I think what I did is I mount the screw inside there, and you face it this way. So what you do is you unlock this and you can move this around. So basically it's gonna go, I guess it goes like that. I mean, either way it could go, but and then you're gonna clamp this to the desk, and that's it. Now this part right here in the middle, you'll be able to unlatch it and go in any direction you want. And you could turn this, you could do whatever you want. And then when you want that camera in that position, you just lock it. I'm assuming. Okay, we're gonna attach it to the desk. Alright, what I had to do is I had to really secure it. I could probably attach it to this other piece, but actually I got it right here. And then what I'll do is I'll lock it. Bam, and then I'll put the camera right there, and then when I do unboxing videos, you guys will be able to see this way. So yeah, and pretty much you can unclamp it here, and you can just do whatever you want. I'm assuming. Basically, I could add lights, I can add a camera, whatever, but more like, yeah, I'm gonna add my camera, put it in here, face it down, and then, yeah, go from there. And then basically, you're gonna unattach this ball head. Like that. And it's gonna be upside down, so the camera is actually facing down. So yeah, there we go. It's actually pretty sturdy, and it will hold actually a DSLR camera, or actually a good camera, if you guys are kind of wondering if it's not going to hold. This is really sturdy. Now, the camera's not super heavy, but I've seen other YouTubers use this, also RA Visuals, he's used it thousands of times, so yeah, it'll definitely hold. So yeah, let's check it out, and we're going to do an unboxing. We're gonna do it facing down, so you guys get to see it. We'll actually do a little demonstration and stuff. So yeah, you guys ready? Here we go. Alright guys, so this is the new camera view. Let me know. Basically, I didn't know I was recording, so I wasn't recording, so I did an unboxing on this. So this is the thing I bought for my camera. Now if you notice the camera gets lighter and darker, it's because I'm moving around, so you might notice that. So yeah, this is going to be the unboxing view. So yeah, I already did the unboxing because I thought I was recording and I wasn't. Gosh, I swear. So anyways, yeah, this will actually go to the camera. Then I won't have to use actual batteries and keep charging all the time. So if you guys want to get this for your camera, if you guys do, you know, have my same camera, the Panasonic G7, I'll put that description below of this. So I just kind of wanted to show you the view of the camera angle I will be doing for unboxings, Funko Pops, or whatever. So basically, you know, like, we'll be doing unboxings this way. And then also, I can also zoom in and get a good view, and then you guys can kind of see everything. So yeah, this is one of my Funko Pops fall off for. So alright, that's it. Alright, so there it is right there. And actually this thing attaches to the camera, so I can just go like this. Alright, so actually it's pretty simple. So let's move the camera a little closer so you can kind of guys get it like a good view. So basically you just attach it to the desk, put the screw in. It's pretty simple. It's pretty simple. And then you can just unclamp it. And you can do bam, just like that, and it just holds it up. And then you can attach the same latch, and you can do wherever you want. If you guys are worried about like it not holding, it holds. You just have to make sure this clamp right here on the base is actually really secure. So make sure it's really secure, and make sure it holds it. It is kind of wobble a little bit, but it does hold, and you just have to kind of just adjust it. You kind of just have to like tinker with it a little bit. So kind of gave you an idea what I'm going to be doing for the unboxing. So alright guys, thanks for watching Josh Techgamer. I'll put down the description below of this item. Yeah guys, just let me know in the comments if you guys want to check this item out, if you guys want it. I'll put down the description below. I'll put down Ricky's channel, RA Visuals, down below. Thank you Ricky for showing me this, and this is going to be really great doing these unboxing views, so you guys can kind of see that different view angle, and then also I could do side view angles, whatever I want. So yeah, I will use the white. I use this old mouse pad as an unboxing, so if it's a black item, or it depends on what the item is, it has that contrast, so it's not black on black and you can't see it. So alright guys, thanks for watching Josh Techgamer. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and this was a very interesting video. If you guys have any questions about this product, let me know. It's pretty simple to just mount it and screw it. It's very, very easy. At first I thought it'd be a little difficult, but I figured it out. If I can figure it out, I know you guys can. Alright guys, thanks for watching Josh Techgamer, and I'll check you guys later.